Hi guys, good afternoon. It is Saturday and we are out and about. So I have an appointment at 2:30 for my laser. They call it SIPL. So it is currently 12:30. We just left early because we want to go to Footscray Market. We'll probably grab something to eat and then we'll drive to Richmond for my appointment, because I think we still have, I was looking at my wrist, I don't even have a watch. I think we have enough time, so that is fine. It is a sunny day today, which is awesome. I've got, as always, I've got Mimi and Paris at the back there. Can you see in the mirror? Yeah, so I've got them with me. Mike stayed at home because he is not very into these things, guys. Like when Mimi and I go out, like seriously, we just do everything. We go have a look at the op shops, just window shopping and everything, and I think it's not a guy thing. So he prefers to stay home and just watch TV and relax, since he's not really feeling well. So that's what we're doing today. And yeah, after my appointment will only take, I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So after that we still have time. We probably have to we'll go to Chapel Street and have a look at, there's a couple of op shops that I want to look at there. So yes, do you guys have anything to say? The back there. So yeah guys, hungry. Yeah, that's where we're going. So as you can see, I've got nothing on my face right now, so this is my bare face, seriously, because for my appointment they have to take, I need to have a clean face before they can do the thing that they need to do to my face. So yes, so I just kept it clean, so I don't need to take off or remove my makeup later on. very windy. There's Mimi there. Because we parked on top. So as you can see, you will see the city. That's the city. So we're just gonna go to we're going to the Filipino restaurant to get some Filipino food before we head off to my appointment. Mingay, ang bata nga gubot-gubot guys, so because she keeps pulling her hair tie. So we're here now, guys. Lutong Pinoy. There's so many people here, guys.
Cash only.
Hello, sorry, cash.
Extra. Yung isa lang yung combo. Sige po.
So many people, guys. What the cash ta?
Naman, muro ako.
Hey, hey, Paris. So this is what we ordered, guys. Well, actually, Mimi ordered. We got rice and lechon paksiw and a drink, and that is that $9.50. And there's a little girl there. She wants rice. We're just pulling it off for her. You okay? You okay? There's grabe gubot gubot.
Joder, te busco y no te encuentro, te encuentro y no te busco. ¿Cómo es eso? Joder. No, te dije que estaba en el shop, en el móvil, fuera.
Guys, you can give her anything and she wants to eat it, but you give her rice,
Móvil shop.
110%.
You? For sure, gonna kami.
Yum? Guys, may umiiyak dito, guys. Bakit siya umiiyak, guys? The other one's eating rice. Ito, guys, umiiyak. Alam niyo kung bakit siya umiiyak, guys? Kasi yung katabi namin, guys, itong si Lola sa katabi. Saka si Lolo. May forever talaga sila, guys. So guys, kwento ko sa'yo mamaya kasi baka maintindihan mo.
I'm on top of the world. I'm sipon sa bata.
Paris!
Lahat kita.
Par! Hi!
Ah.
What? Ayun mo kasi. Hi guys! Andito na naman kami ulit sa sasakyan. And I'll tell you guys why Mimi was crying before. It was because there's this old couple in front of us. Kumain din sila, guys, dun sa market. Tapos Mimi kasi, I think she's got that belief that there's no forever, guys. Walang forever talaga sa kanya, guys. Which is, I don't know, I think everyone's got their own opinion. Anyways, this old couple, guys, I think they're already on the maybe 70s, 80s. And yeah, the guy was a gentleman, guys. So like, he was getting the wife's food ready for her, opened the bottle for her. I don't know, he was just so sweet to her. And then this was in front of Mimi, guys. So that's probably why she was crying, because gisagpa gisas ka kuan, guys, sa kamatuoran, guys, ngin agi forever. Depende ra jud na. It totally depends on the two people involved, like, you know, in a relationship. So guys, sakitan.
I don't think na that spark will last. You know, I know love will last, but that spark, that care, that love that you can see sa ilang duha, like, it's very rare.
Yeah, because guys, like, seriously, while the old lady was eating, he was giving her, yeah, he was looking at her, and you can see, guys, like, in his eyes, like, he's still in love. That is amazing. And he was handing her the handkerchief, you know, to wipe her mouth. And yeah, when the old lady said, like, she's finished, and the guy still trying to, like, oh, you eat more, and the old lady said, like, no, it's fine. So, and then he ate, guys. So, you know, he waited until the old lady finished, and then yeah, he ate what's left. So it's
like, galisod pag ganun siyang open sa bottle, diba?
yeah, he was having a hard time opening the water bottle, guys. And but he did it for love. He did it for his wife. It's just amazing, guys.
Like, they're very old, like, they're shaking.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, they're old. They're that old that they're shaking already. Like, you know, when they open the water bottle and that, like, yeah, the old guy was already, you know, like, shaking. Yeah, I just find it amazing. And that's super.
Di lang ako ang umiyak.
Super goals, good siya, guys. Like, grabe, guys. Seriously. Sa damgo na lang siguro, guys, may gana ang relasyon.
Bantay
Char.
ka, Gab. Bantay ka. Shout out ko sa kuya.
Shout out to sa imo dong, Gab. Okay. Kuhan ko no. Mabo ko forever.
Abrihan. Butter.
But yeah.
Yeah.
It's very
manga,
good.
guys.
Yeah, we purchased mango. Seriously, guys, for these 4 pieces of mango. Have a look at this. It's 14 Australian dollars. Like, what? $14?
Sa labaw naman, taray kami.
Guys, in the Philippines, guys, mangawat naman yung mangga, guys, ang silingan. Lakagon pa may sa kuan, guys. Lakagon pa may sa bato dito sa kuan, guys. Sila ni nung wani, guys. Kaya mangawat kasi ang mangga. And here, it's already $14. Grabe po sila, guys. Eh. Anyways, enough of that. It is already 1:30 in the afternoon. So, we're gonna head off to my appointment. Because it's still a bit far from here. So, it might take a while, especially the traffic. Today, it might be not very good. So, yeah, we'll see you when we get there, guys.
Madam. Magpagwapan na si Madam. Uy, ninapiyaan. Asa ka?
Ay, pagkuan ba? Unya, paggawas ninyo, magbantay mo diri paglungon ninyo, ha. English, magawas mo, ha.
Di namin magawas.
Diri ba?
Di namin magawas. Kunting paalala. From Mother Care. Ta, Madam kaayo. Ang babae na walay pimples pero gibuni ang yang bata kay nag support ra mata siya unya pagwapa na iyang mama.
So I'm here now, guys. So Mimi and Paris stayed in the car because Paris is sleeping, so I'm here. So hi guys, just waiting for them to call me. So basically what I'm doing, guys, is what they call Sipl laser photo revitalization. So originally I purchased it for, you know, the pigmentation on my face, but I bought it, guys, because it was on a deal. Like seriously, 5 sessions for I think $99, whereas if you purchase it separately it's probably $200 per session, guys. $200 per session. So that's why I bought it, and I don't know if it's helping. But because I have 5 sessions, then I'm just finishing it, guys. But I don't know if it's doing anything on my face at all. Anyways, let's just finish. This is my 4th time, guys, here. So and then I'll have 1 more left, and then that's it. This is my outfit of today. So my appointment is not until 2:30. I think I'm 20 minutes earlier. So not Filipino time, guys, huh? I'm very early, guys. Everything's a beauty, guys. So, hi guys, so I just finished. This is what happened, guys. It's red. Guys, someone wants to drive now, guys. Namatagak bitaw ah. Paris. Paris. Tak lagi. Kapoy? Kapoy na? So, hi guys. Nagabihan na kami, guys. Have a look. I'm still in the car. Paris is sleeping in the back. I'm just waiting for Mimi, guys, because she just went into the shop quickly to buy something for dinner tonight. She's actually here now. Oh, run! What did you get? Where's chicken
and grapes.
Awesome. Cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna drive home now. We're only maybe 3 minutes away from home now, so Yeah, can't wait to get home, guys, and just relax. It's been a long day. We've been like walking around for so long today, which is a good exercise, but yeah, everyone's tired. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Hi guys, home na kami. So yeah, this is what my face looks like after 5 hours of a treatment.
5 hours?
Yeah, it's 5 hours. It's like 7 o'clock now. So yeah, there's nothing really dramatic, guys. It's, I don't know, it just, maybe it just feels good when you know that you're doing something for yourself. Even though it's not really working for you. Paris! Shh! Oi! Yucks! Yucks! We're just watching the footy. Hey! And we got the heater cranking on, guys, because it is too cold. Yay! Hi, honey. Say hi. Hi. So please subscribe to our channel.
And hit the ring button.
Bell button mong ganito, ring button yun.
Ring man dapat.
Kanak ba? Shoes. Shoes.
Shoes ba? Ayaw ba?
Shoes. What's wrong? Yeah, so she said it before today, guys. Like, we said shoes, and yeah, she followed, and then she said shoes as well, which is really cute. Oh. Wait.
This is how I annoy you.
Don't annoy her, ba? Annoy mo lang, uncle. Ayaw, maka-stretch yung skin. Dila, be?
Beautiful eyes, par.
Beautiful eyes na lang.
Beautiful eyes, ba?
Beautiful eyes, be? Beautiful eyes.
Flankies.
Yeah.
Again. Ha? What's that gonna lolo?
Hello. Alaga.
Beautiful eyes.
Diyos, dila mo na. Ba.
Head. Imong naong pag
Head.
Ano?
Shoulders.
Ano to?
Kachot lang sa tita ba?
Yun no.
Hi. Long hair.
Patay man.
Patay may hair na. Alalala.
Kalakoy.
We're gonna end the vlog here, guys. We're gonna say good night. Hey, good night, Noy. Anak. Ay, samak. Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Ba? Where is Paris? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye na. See you later. Bye. See you later. Saba. Oh, okay na. Alright, guys. Bye. Bye, ma.